Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is Jellyfish and Undertale. Okay, so Flowey has planted a bomb in a snowy. Bomb has a timer that is initially set to be. Every second the timer will decrease by 1. Okay, when the timer reaches 0, the bomb will explode. To give the resident of Snowdy enough time to evacuate, you will need to delay the bomb from exploding for as long as possible. Okay, you have n tools. Each tools can only be used at most once. If you can use the IA tool, the timer will increase by x index I. However, if the timer is changed to an integer larger than a, the timer will set to a due to a bug. Okay, more specifically, the following events will happen every seconds in the following order. You will choose some of your tools that have not been used before. If you choose the IA tool, the bomb timer will currently set to C and the timer will be changed to minimum in under bracket C plus x index comma A. Okay, so the timer decreases by 1 as we can see. If the timer reaches 0, the bomb will explode. Jellyfish wants to know the maximum time in seconds until the bomb explodes if the tools are used optimally. Okay, so how we are going to do this? What we have to output for each test case, output a single integer maximum, the maximum time in seconds until the bomb explodes. Okay, for this test case it is 9 for second, it is 21. So let's write the code. Yeah, a comma b in 10 and okay, then what should we do? Okay, int ans, here we will store our answer, then a for loop, it will iterate till what, till n minus 1. Okay, no, till n, then declare a variable x in x, then ans should add this minimum plus x comma a minus 1 c out. I hope the code is properly visible. C out ans. Okay, let's run this code. Let's run the test cases. Yeah, so the code is working fine. That's it. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. It was a very short on point solution video. So yeah guys, thank you for watching.